Gesiaga School presents To the Teacher. Welcome. Treat every learner a gem, for in every way is special. Maybe not in the way you liked. For some are special in different ways, and the teacher's eye should see the unseen potential and bring it to light. Your influence lasts long. Your words cannot be measured. Your love cannot be measured. And so, even at 70 years of age, just call him my child. For once a teacher, always a teacher. The teacher should always thirst, utter words that build, and give hope that stands, and guide throughout life. Your goodness should last through generations that come. Often, the tiniest of all, with nothing but the teacher turned out huge, a star, for all the world to marvel, and everyone will hold you high, and hail the transformation you give. Some know no love, nor the meaning of praise. Some know no parent, and the guidance needed for life. But they too must feel the loving kindness of the teacher. Pleasure.